Hello, welcome back. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to add a video lesson to our course. Okay, how to add a video lesson. Okay, basically, most of the majority of your lessons must be videos. Okay, majority of your lessons will be video, and those videos will be in sections, in segment. I mean, we are going to have fragments of videos per lessons. Okay, so you're not going to be doing one stretch of video that covers the entire course. All right, so I'm just going to add a video to a particular lesson. Okay, each video is specific for the lesson that you are teaching. All right, so for this particular demo, I'm going to add a video to this lesson called adding course title. So to do that, after creating the lesson, click on edit. Okay, I've clicked on edit. That should open up that particular lesson for me to add my course uh, my lessons basically to the lesson. Okay, all right, pardon me for that. Okay, so I already have a bunch of text here. Okay, but what I actually want is to add to make it a video lesson. So the first thing I need to do is to go to the lesson setting and ensure the lesson type is not text, but rather the lesson type is video. Okay, so having done that, I click on the content tab. All right, so depending on where I want the video to be, I make sure I place my cursor there. If I want the video to be at the beginning of uh, the, the, the content, I place the cursor there, but I want it to be at the bottom. Okay, so I make sure my cursor is blinking at the bottom. So do I need to do to insert video? I just need to click on the insert option here. So click on insert and then click on media. Okay, that will bring up this dialog box. Okay, so here under there are three tabs here. We have the general tab, we have the embed tab, and we have the advanced tab. So we are only concerned about the general tab. Okay, so what I need to do now is to go to my YouTube channel where I have the video uploaded. Okay, make sure when uploading on YouTube, your video is not made public, okay, so that people cannot go to your YouTube channel to watch the video. Make sure it's unlisted to the public, okay? So go to YouTube, copy the video link, the video URL on YouTube, come here to the source and just paste uh, the link. That's all you need to do. Then click OK. Okay, when you do that, the video will be added. Yeah, so that's it. So the video will be added to that lesson. When you're done, click on save. Okay, so it's as easy as that. So that is how you add a video to your lesson. I hope you got that. All right, so see you in the next lesson.